Okay, so hi everyone. My takeaways from the LS 115 course were three. My first takeaway consisted of learning that writing reflections after each week based on readings or video watchings or even class discussion can help better retain information within students. Doing the reflections, whether it was through a video or written prompt, through memes or s'mores, actually helped me better understand and explain what I learned, and that helped me retain the information better. Not only retain the information, but also be able to better explain it to someone else. While I was writing my written prompts or creating a video or doing a small reflection, I was actually teaching someone else about what I learned. So repeating information or knowledge in an aspect that puts you in the position to explain helps you better understand the concept better. I feel like this takeaway, I'm gonna take it with me for my prospective classroom, my future classrooms, and use reflections as a way to help students better recall and understand the information they learn during a lesson or activity. A second takeaway of mine was how the 5E lesson plan template is set up actually helps educators to plan it out carefully, considering all the barriers and solutions. So throughout the lesson plan, I never heard or done a lesson plan that consisted of incorporating barriers or solutions. But with having those two sections there, I learned that it's beneficial and helpful when planning your lesson because taking into consideration your class demographics and the characteristics of your students and the needs of your students within the classroom can actually help you point out some of the barriers and solution. And when pointing out the barriers and solutions for the potential issues students may have, it could actually help you better your lesson plan and fix errors before you commit them. For example, if I have a student who is hard of hearing and I have, if I do peer recorded lectures through distance learning and not include captions within my videos, it would affect the student's learning. But having that barrier and solution section during the 5E lesson plan, it helped me think and contemplate on how to better the learning experience for students. And I feel like that's one of the takeaways I benefited from the most is learning about how to incorporate barriers and solutions within a lesson plan to help me resolve any issues before actually teaching the class. Third takeaway of mine was that digital storytelling is actually another form of instruction and actually fostering student-centered learning rather than teacher directed or in teacher directed instruction. With the digital storytelling, I learned that students tend to benefit from watching a story unravel and unfold with both characters, conflict resolution, or even the plot, as it is set out to help educate them at the same time, almost like a cartoon with a moral behind it. It's a digital story with concepts and ideas and topics that students are learning as they watch animated figures or drawings on the screen. And those are my three takeaways from the course. To recap, they were that reflections are beneficial to retain and understand concepts. My second one was that the 5E lesson plan template provided during the whole semester is very beneficial, especially due to the two sections of barriers and solution that help you contemplate and think on how to better the teaching instruction within your lessons. And the third one was that digital storytelling can actually make a better impact on students' learning rather than just teacher lectures. Thank you.